Hello there, my beautiful YouTube family. You all, I am feeling so much better. So much better. What a long road of sickness that was. Guess what I actually got in the mail today? Like, amazing that it's so early, you guys. My AIA Beauty Bundle came in, and it is for the month of January. Y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, I am back. I have missed you all so very much. I've kind of been trying to keep track of everybody and what's been going on, but y'all, I was so very sick. Yes, I had pneumonia. Yes, I'm over it. So very thankful for it. Very thankful for all of my YouTube family members that actually kept watching my videos. Like, y'all, I'm blown away by y'all's commitment. I adore each and every one of you. Let's get into America Influencer Beauty Bundle for the month of January. Y'all, this box is $34.99 monthly. Each month they collab with a small business, and then they donate $1 for every box that they sell to the City of Hope for Cancer Research, which, as you all know, especially my OGs, that I hold very near and dear to me. I am an ovarian cancer survivor. Many cancer survivors in my family, and I truly appreciate that. All right, guys, let's get into it. I will always be subscribed to AIA Beauty, but I will always give you a true review on it. This month, I'm actually kind of excited about. It's a whole skincare line that I've never heard of. Never seen any reviews done on it. Haven't seen it in stores. I know nothing about it. It is called Naturium. I'm sure that's how you pronounce it. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Now, I know that quite a few of their products have niacinamide in it, which is amazing for clearing your pores out and just giving your skin that good, refreshing look. So what your girl's going to do is put on her handy-dandy specs. And we're going to get into it. I'm actually really excited about this skincare line, you guys, and I am going to do a full 28-day review on it. I have almost completed all my other skincare that I have over there, so what a better time to try out a whole line that I know nothing about. I know about the niacinamides, the multipeptides, I know about all of that, vitamin C, of course, BHA, of course. I know about all of that. I know it's all very good for your skin, but is it going to work? Is it affordable? Most skincare, you know, is highly expensive. So let's get into this and let's see what we got. As I said, AIA Beauty, $34.99 monthly. Every month they collab with a small business. Sometimes you'll get makeup, sometimes you'll get hair care, sometimes you get skincare. Not a lot of, I don't know. There's not a lot of back-to-back on it, like a couple months or 3 or 4 months of skincare and then makeup, blah. It does alter, which I do appreciate that very much because, y'all, the skincare is unreal. But let's get into this one since I am ready to start a new skincare line. And I'm highly excited about this one because of all the niacinamide in it. Okay, my loves, here we go. Naturium, Naturium. Let's see what it is about. First thing we're going to pull out here, Phyto Glow Lip Balm. This is what? This is valued at $12. As it's stated, it is a lip balm. Ha! Right there. Your lips are sealed. Perfect. We need this in the winter months, especially mine get really dry. They don't crack or peel, per se, but occasionally they get chapped, you know, the burning feeling, but they don't ever do that cracky, pilly stuff. They get very dry and just have like a thin layer, like I need to exfoliate really bad, but then when I try to exfoliate, it like makes them raw, so I just let them be. So hopefully this will solve my lip problems. We'll see. Again, Phyto Glow Lip Balm valued at $12. Our intensely nourishing lip balm is formulated with phyto-derived serum, esters, shea, kapuka butter, and plant squalene. Oh, that's good stuff. To cushion lips, leaving them silky, soft, and smooth. as a glowy finish and long-lasting moisture. All right, guys, for the next 28 days, here is my lip balm. 12 bucks, we're doing it. Okay. Now, it looks like there's actually a lot of information inside this packaging. It's kind of weird because it's actually like inside the box here. I'm not sure about, phytoesters. Phytoesters are a 100% plant-derived lanolin alternative that moisturize and condition the lips. Now we know what that is, okay. Phytoesters have a low moleculative weight and nourish without feeling greasy. Oh, we like that one even better. Phytoesters have high water-holding properties and excellent moisture retention. All right, so kind of like hyaluronic acid, but did you know you actually need water to activate hyaluronic acid? Yeah. All right. Okay, let's move on, y'all. We got BHA Liquid Exfoliant 2%. So it's an exfoliator that helps unclog pores and smooths uneven texture and brightens. You can leave this one on, it says. Ooh, look at that blue. Isn't that gorgeous? Leave on exfoliant with 2% salicylic acid and bioactive fruit acids. That is interesting. Now, y'all, it feels like this is leaking everywhere. Not a lot because the bottle is still full, but unfortunately it has leaked out some. Oh well, there's a lot still in here. All right, this is valued at $18. Wow. All right, the lip balm, $12. Okay, that's pretty standard. 18 bucks for a BHA liquid exfoliant? Let's read up on this. Our leave-on exfoliant is formulated with an efficiency level of encapsulated salicylic acid and bioactive fruit acids that unclog pores, even skin tone, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles for a healthier, more radiant-looking complexion. Ooh. After cleaning, apply on an even layer onto face with either your palms or a cotton pad. Do not rinse. Start with a few applications a week and increase use. Okay. So I would assume you put this on like first thing in the morning or maybe at night. I'm going to put it on at night since it's an exfoliant and then put on my moisturizers in the morning and stuff and my nightly moisturizers at night, of course. Here it is again, guys, valued at 18 bucks. Wow, if this really works, I can't believe that price if this really works. Holy cannoli, that would be fantastic, you guys. Yeah. All right, I'm excited about this, y'all. Y'all, this is a whole line here. What is this? Niacinamide Cleansing Gel. Whoa. Okay. The value of this is also $18, you guys. Our innovative Essence-like gel cleanser formulated with a clinical level of niacinamide. Gently dissolves makeup oil and other impurities while targeting the look of dark spots and uneven texture. The cleanser leaves the skin feeling softer, smoother, and more balanced. Can be used on dry or damp skin. Okay. Okay, so just a couple pumps, it says, and you can do your whole face. I'll be trying it out tonight, you guys. It's with it being a gel, I bet that would like remove makeup like so easily, especially like matte non-transfer lipsticks. Oh wow, I'm excited to get about this a lot. Okay, 18 bucks, you guys. Whoa. How affordable. Wow. Multi-peptide moisturizer. Nourishes, smooths, and improves the look of fine lines and texture. Huh. Okay. I'm a little perplexed, you guys. Okay. Here she is. This is valued at $19. Our nutrient-dense moisturizer is formulated with our multi-peptide blend, encapsulated ethylate vitamin C and panthenol to target the look of fine lines and wrinkles for a more youthful looking complexion. A $19 moisturizer, you guys. Okay. It's got peptides in it. That is just wow. And vitamin C in it. 19 bucks. All right, you guys. What an affordable skincare line. We're not done yet. They sent the whole line. Wow. Here is the niacinamide that I was super excited about. I actually seen, I think it was on AIA's Instagram post about this. I think, you guys. I'm not sure. I don't remember. And I almost dropped it, but I didn't. What do we have here? Niacinamide serum, 12% plus zinc. Zinc is so good for you internally and externally, you guys. Here she is. This is valued at 16 bucks. You guys, I got to see what this stuff smells like. Like, wow. It's affordable. There's amazing ingredients in this. What does it smell like? There is no smell. There is no smell at all to this. None. There's no smell at all. Our concentrated serum is formulated with pure 12% niacinamide, you guys. Pure niacinamide. Whoa. And 2% zinc PCA that helps improve uneven skin tone and visually minimizes the look of pores, skin texture, and fine lines. Now, I have been having a lot of problems with my pores lately, especially right in here and above my upper lip line. Yes, I just did do a pill last night, and it did, like, shrink them some, but not very much. And I really don't like doing pills because I have to shave my face first. I don't like shaving my face, y'all. No. So we're going to quit using the pill and use this for the next 28 days, you guys. Let's see how it goes. Again, this is valued at 16 bucks. We're also going to smell those other products to see if there's any smell to them. Like, wow, you guys. All right, y'all. Here is the vitamin C complex serum. This is valued at 20 bucks. The highest product in here is the vitamin C complex serum, you guys. All right, let's get this out of the way. What is this about? We're going to smell it. I wonder if it smells like oranges like everybody else's does. All right, again, $20 value here. Our potent serum is formulated with a vitamin C complex of highly stabilized iascorbic acid, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, and a bioactive fruit blend that helps brighten and shield skin from environmental stressors for a healthier, more youthful looking complexion. All right, shaky, and let's smelly. I don't smell nothing. Okay, I do. It's very light, very faint. Okay. I'm very excited about this, you guys. Let's smell this niacinamide cleansing gel. Maybe. It's got some type of weird top on it. Oh, it locks it. Okay. What the crap? Oh, you got it. Be smarter than the bottle, Sunny. Okay, so, oh, okay, this pops off so you can push the pump. I'm a genius. Okay. There is no scent to the cleansing gel. Nothing at all, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is going to be fantastic. That means it's not going to irritate my asthma. It's not going to irritate my allergies. Multi-peptide moisturizer. All right, you guys, let's do a sniffy sniff on this. Again, no smell. There is no smell. That is fan-freaking-tastic. Amazing. Okay. Let's try the BHA exfoliant. Pop the top. Oh, shake it like this did. It looked like it had a seal. It does. But, ugh. Yeah, it's kind of leaked everywhere. It's dripping. Darn it, marn it. How are you dripping with a seal on here? Ah, because the seal was not put all the way around. You see how it's on the edge there? Well, over here it is not. Now, there is a very, very light, faint scent to this. It's not overwhelming. It's not strong. I can't tell you what it smells like because it doesn't smell earthy or fruity or anything of that matter. I'm going to leave this on here because, y'all, I've got this all over me now. Like, look how much just came out already. Yikes. Ugh. Okay. Let's just go ahead and screw the lid back on there and be careful with that bottle. All right, guys, all we have left is the lip balm. Now, if there is a scent to this, with it being a lip balm, the thing that you would use the most, like I use my lip balms at least twice a day, that would be very strange because all the rest of this, but 2 out of the other 5 products had very, very lightly scent. Now, I don't want to put this on because my lips are all done up, but we're going to squeeze some out. Is it going to come out this way? I want you guys, oh, there it goes. Okay. All right, you guys, again, I got nothing. It's not greasy. It's very thick. And it feels sticky, y'all. I'm going to squeeze out a little bit more and see if that really, you know, sometimes the top of the barrel, it's a little different from the, yeah, this is very sticky. So I'll be curious to see if it actually like dries down. Yeah. You guys see it? Yeah, it's sticky. Again, no scent to it whatsoever. So that is going to be very moisturizing because it's a very thick, thick formula. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to handle the stickiness from it. All right, my loves. We have a 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Holy crap. About $140 value for AIA Beauty Bundle this month, you guys, with a Naturium, which I'm extremely excited to try out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I dropped the lip balm products. It wouldn't be a video if Sunny didn't drop something. I will let you guys know how this goes. I will keep this, let's see, monitored on Instagram on how things are doing. I'll do a weekly check-in with you, maybe on Mask Mondays. And I will let everybody know what my true thoughts about it all are on Instagram at the end of the 28 days. How does that sound? All right, my loves, some good things coming this new year. I am so excited for 2022, y'all. Out with all the old BS from 2021 and with the new crap from 2022. All right, my loves, that is all for AIA Beauty Bundle. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification bells, especially if you want to be entered into my giveaways. All right, loves, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.